Hello to everyone. I wanted to create a small demo for this application, which is this is the result of doing this course, which is basically a React course created by Maximilian from Academind. And so after a completion of that course, you create basically this app. So I wanted to create a small demo of this application in order to show the behavior and also to show what you can learn creating this course. So basically this is the app, which is a burger building basically. And as you can see, you can create a burger and using these controls. For instance, you can add some ingredients here, and as you can see, the ingredients will be reflected in real time into the burger. So after you build something, you can sign up to order. So this is basically the login for an already created user, but you can switch to register a new user if you don't have any user, and you can of course log in using yours if you are already creating a username. So let's use this one, which is already existent user. By the way, this is using Google Firebase, which is the console I have on the right. Passwords are not stored, just using this app is using Firebase authentication, so Google is basically handling these passwords. As when trying to log in, you see a spinner, and also you have some success messages within the application. So right now you can order. Now you have a summary of the order that you are trying to create. You can cancel, of course, or you can even continue if you want to. Now it's time to fill your delivery details, so you can use some mock data probably. And also we have some validations. For instance, in this case, you cannot use less than 5 chars into this field. And of course, you can use the cheapest or the fastest delivery method. This is just basically a form. You can use whatever you want. After you order, I'm not sure if you see the spinner, and also right here on the right, you see that you see the information on the Google Firebase console. As you can see, this is basically the information I just filled out on the form. Also, I have the price, the ingredients, and also the user ID, which is filling the information. And after clicking here, you can go directly to the orders, and you can see your orders. Basically, this is filtering the orders for a particular user. So as you can see here, I filled a lot of, basically 3 orders previously, and you can see the orders here. And you can of course go back again in builder and to the burger builder and build a new one. Of course you can log out. So, and after you log out, you cannot see the orders on this screen. And that's basically the application. It's a very small application, but it's using a lot of libraries. For instance, it's using ReactJs to communicate to the backend. It's also using a Redux. Redux, of course, Redux Thunk, to handle asynchronous actions. And also, this is using Jest and testing library, React testing library, and also I used Enzyme as a test for doing the unit test. So I'll show you. The course was not intended to cover test environment, but I added later. So I use unit test and Enzyme with Enzyme, and also I try to use integration test with React testing library. So let's trigger some tests. Right now we are running some tests, and basically I created a test suite which is covering more than the 90% of the application. So we'll see in a couple of seconds. This was not covered by the course, but you can add it later. This is the coverage of the code. So thanks for watching this video.